Welcome to AI Amazing Stories. Over the past few weeks, Midjourney have gone viral all over the world. But now, Midjourney has only provided paid plans and is no longer free to users. However, we've got some good news. We found a free alternative that can replace Midjourney for your image generation needs. Leonardo.AI is a powerful AI-based image generation tool that can help you create the pictures you need for your AI video. Don't let Midjourney's shift to a paid model stop you from creating amazing content. Try Leonardo.AI today. These are the images I generated with it. Isn't it awesome? Let's take a look at how to use it. Step 1. Visit the Leonardo.AI website and click the Get Early Access button. Fill in your email address and wait for a confirmation email from Leonardo.AI to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into the platform or click on the link below the video to enter. Enter your username and hobbies. Then click the button to start using the platform. You will receive 150 free tokens, which reset every 24 hours. That is to say, every 24 hours, you can get 150 free tokens. Step 2. Choose a template. Leonardo.AI offers a range of well-trained models across various themes, including Dreamshaper, Leonardo Diffusion, RPG 4.0, Pixel Art, and more. Browse through the available templates and select one that interests you. I like this template. Click on the template to view its details, including a description of what it does. This template is from whimsical fairy-like beings to mythical creatures. Create unique, cute spirit characters. Check the size and generated images with the template. Click Use to start using the template. Step 3. Generate images. There are two ways to generate images on Leonardo.AI. The first option is to browse through the works generated by other users. To do this, click on the Home button to access the home page. Browse through the various works generated by other users. Select a work that interests you. I think they are all very, very good. I like this work very much. Click on it to view the images. We can view the prompt details, negative prompt, and related images for the work. Here we will see two buttons. First, Remix. This button allows us to copy the prompt and all generation settings over to the AI generation tool so we can remix the image generation. Let's have a try. Click Remix. It will copy all the settings of the original creation, and we can generate a similar image by clicking Generate directly. Second, Copy Prompt. If you prefer not to use the original settings, you can click this button to copy the prompt and generate an image using your own preferred settings. For guidance on setting your preferences, please refer to the second method of generating images. The second option is to create pictures yourself. Click on AI Image Generate. Here I will mainly introduce the setting part, so that you can draw inferences from one instance. First, select the number of images you want to generate. The default is 4, which is linked to the number of tokens used. For example, selecting 1 will use 1 token, while selecting 4 images will use 4 tokens. Second, choose the size of the image, preferably the same size as the template you are using. Third, Guidance Scale. The indicator represents how strongly your prompt is weighted. When you set the value to the maximum, the generated image will be strongly related to your prompt. However, it's important to note that setting it too high can sometimes result in generation failures. You have the freedom to adjust this value based on your specific requirements and preferences. Fourth, ControlNet. It is a feature on Leonardo.AI that allows you to upload images to influence the output of your generated images. Here are the requirements and steps to use ControlNet. Make sure you are in the Image-to-Image section, and it should be based on the Stable Diffusion 1.5 template version. Let's look in the template library. Click on the template's details to see the base model and select it. Let's generate an image. This is the image generated when the control net weight value is 0.5. Increasing the weight to 1. It will make the generated picture more closely resemble the uploaded image. Fifth, init strength. A higher init strength will preserve the original image more, unlike ControlNet, which is based on the template. The init strength parameter allows you to determine how much of the original image should be preserved. Here's how it works. Set the init strength parameter to a higher value if you want the generated image to closely resemble the original image. This means that the template elements will be less prominent in the output. For example, if you set the init strength to 1, the generated image will be almost the same as the original image, with minimal influence from the template. On the other hand, setting a lower value for init strength, such as 0.3, will result in the generated image incorporating more of the template elements alongside the uploaded image. Sixth, tilling. This one is ideal for repeating textures or backgrounds. It can add some texture to your images. For instance, let's generate an image of a desert without selecting the tiling option. The resulting image appears relatively monotonous. However, by enabling the tiling option, we will notice the addition of desert-related textures, which can make the image look more realistic and visually interesting. The above is how to use the image generation. Step 4. Edit the picture. Editing images on Leonardo.AI offers various functionalities, including background removal and image extension. Let's explore these features. Background removal. Frowny face. Leonardo.AI can remove background, but I think that Cutout Pro is more user-friendly. You can try comparing the two and choose the tool that suits your preferences and requirements best. Image extension. Frowny face. Leonardo.AI offers a powerful image extension feature. Here's how you can utilize it. Copy the prompt of the image you want to extend. Click on Edit in Canva. Fill in the prompt you copied. Watch as the image is extended based on the provided prompt. We can also combine two images into a single image. Choose two pictures with similar colors. Erase the background of these two pictures. Fill in the prompt or desired details. Gradually extend the picture to create the desired composition. This feature is pretty cool, isn't it? I think Leonardo.AI is a very good AI art tool, allowing you to create customized pictures based on your ideas. It's cool, isn't it? Go and try it out. I am sure you will be able to create better works than my pictures.